Okay, to do the calculations, I'm going to have k equal to, tablet mode. K equals 9e to the 9th. R equals 0.1. Q equals 6e to the minus 3. Okay, so I can find the Q over R squared. So F equals K times Q squared divided by R squared. So I have that number, and now I also need to know cosine D of 45 divided by 2. So that's 0.35, say 0.35. And then just to check, sine, let me hide this. So we need 1 minus the answer. 1 minus the answer, 0.64, and then the other one was, we'll check in a minute, 0.64, 3.24. Right. Okay, so F net then is equal to 3.24 times 10 to the 7th newtons, and then I have 1 minus, so this is going to be 1 minus was 0.64, and then we had sine, so 0.35 minus 1, so this is minus 0.64. So that looks like, since our that these two numbers are the same number, but just equal and opposite, then our angle is going to be 45 degrees. So I don't even have to figure that out. So, and I'm going to put an I hat here for it to show that this is in the X direction, and a J hat here to show that this is in the Y direction. So, so I can rewrite this if I wanted to as F net is equal to, now I can multiply 3.24 7. So I'm going to do, so F times my answer is 2.09 e to the minus 7, e to the plus 7, 2.09. Wrong one. There we go. So 2.09 times 10 to the 7th newtons, and this is in the I hat and the J hat, minus J hat direction. And I'm going to leave it like that. I could also put it in terms of magnitude and direction. So if I wanted to do that, I would do F net, or F is equal to, let's see, the square root of 2.09 times 10 to the 7th squared plus 2.09 times 10 to the 7th squared. So let's grab that out again. So I'm going to have the square root of my answer. I'm going to do 2 times my answer squared. Oops. 2.96 times 10 to the 7th. Oops. So this is F equals 2.96 times 10 to the 7th newtons. And the angle, so that's my magnitude, and then theta is equal to negative 45 degrees. And that matches up with our picture right here. So this is, I'm saying that it's negative 45 degrees.